Hey guys, welcome to Skill Hub. Today I'm gonna show how to make a wonderful business page cover photo. So just follow my video. I hope you can make a wonderful cover photo for your business page. You can get all the images from description link. Okay. First you go to the file and click the new, and that is the wide and height. You change the wide it 851 and height 315 and resolution 300 and color mode must be RGB. Okay, that size for your Facebook cover, it is the standard size. Click the OK and go to the file and place embedded this sky. Okay, make it bigger, this sky. Oh, that's nice. And click this sky and go to the window, and that is the layers. Click here and this is the layer panel, and make opacity 90. Okay, then we create a shape and go to this shape and click this shape and press the right button and then rounded rectangle tool and click here, and you can modify this radius. I make it 65. Okay, enter, and then I make this shape. Okay, that is fill color red, and this color is FD0500, this color code, and click the move tool and press the shape and rotate it. Guys, then click the layer and copy another time, so press Ctrl and J from keyboard and change this color. Okay, yeah, that color I think, and this I button now off. Okay, our layer, just one layer is open, and click this one, another layer, and click this layer and go to the file and place the city on the layer. Click the right click and create clipping mask. That is a beautiful city, and make it smaller. If you use city, that gives you corporate look. Okay, you click the layer of rectangle and double click the side of layer, and you get a blending option, and then drop shadow. Create a drop shadow, and this shadow size is that. I think it's not better. Guys, click the sky and make this opacity 50%. Okay, and now we are open the another shape, so this shape we make bigger, and it's under the city shape. Okay, it's drag in here and make it bigger. Okay, and click this layer and go to the rectangle, then fill, it's none, and click the stroke. Stroke is now white. Wow, it's great. And we also create another rectangle in the upper layer, so go to the rounded rectangle tools and make this radius 20, and this shape is thin. Okay, and color, you set the fill color is the, that is the color code. Okay, and move this color and rotate that. Copy this layer another time, so press Ctrl and J and move that in here. Guys, click the upper layer and click the new layer button, and it's now create a new layer. So go to the gradient and click here, that is one side opacity 0% and one side 100%. You click this red opacity under button, double click here, and yeah, this is the FC000 color code. Okay, and another side color we make is yellow, and press OK. And this variant we make that in here, so that is normal. Yeah, that is color burn is now nice. And we open our model, that is the model. We remove this background. Okay, you can remove various way. So I am now going to the quick selection tool, and if you select quick selection tool, if you select this image man body, so you click this plus option. Yeah, it's and click the minus option for deselect. And click the move tool and move this image in the double click in this layer, that is the blending mode, and click the shadow and press OK. So we write our tagline, so click the horizontal type tool and click in here, and that option you select. Okay, and this font size is make this color red. Guys, if you want to download this font, use going to the Google and write the Letu font download, then you get this font. Okay, that's nice. And make this color black. Guys, and go to the sky image, click in the layer, and it's make some masking, and click the hair and go to the gradient, and you see there, and make this side black and this side also black, and click here, and you press this color, you press the white option and drag in here, and you can make opacity something go to the Google and write brush png, and go to the file and place embedded. This is the brush, make it smaller. Double click beside of the layer and you get blending mode and color overlay, and this is the normal, and you double click here and pick this red color, and okay, we write our domain name in this place. So select the horizontal type tool and write www.business.com, and that's you make bold, and that size is 8, make white 100%. That is great. And if you make this better, so click the upper layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift E. It's make a one page above and filter, camera raw filter. Then temperature, make it 8, and exposure it's -15, and contrast something high, and that is great. And press the OK, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. This image now show a wonderful look. Please subscribe, guys, our channel, and like and comment this video, and you can share your opinion on the comment box. Thank you.